Hello. Have a good time. Join me in this virtual tour to see some parts of the magical forest of Alimestan. This is a magical and incredibly beautiful forest. Alimestan Forest is one of the sights of a mole, which stands out like a green gem on its unique nature. This forest has attracted the attention of international photographers. The high altitude of the forest above sea level, low temperature in the hot season, the presence of many springs, diverse forest cover, simple and clear water, and beautiful wild horses are the characteristics of this forest. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss other videos. Alimestan is an open list. A list for those who want to experience road and forest, mountain and steppe, pasture and plain, meadow and peak in one-day trip. One place is sunny, one is cloudy, one is pleasant and spring weather. One is foggy and cool, one is strong wind. One place is a dense forest, and the other is a plain. After the plain, you will reach a large pasture, and after passing through the plain of fragrant flowers, you will reach the top of the mountain. From above, the whole forest and all the surrounding pastures are under your feet, and the view of Damavand Peak is in front of you. This dream paradise should be seen and experienced closely in every season. I will try to come back here again in the spring. The best season to travel to Alimestan Forest is mid-spring and early autumn. But winter also has a unique view. Of course, all the principles of winter travel must be observed, especially when traveling in mountainous and forest areas. Thank you for being with me until this moment. From now on, I will be quiet so that you can watch in peace. Again, I request you to like the video so that I can get energy, and also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the other videos that I will upload from this beautiful forest in the coming days.